Today I'm making a 20 by 20 centimeter composite plate, which will be about 3 to 4 millimeters thick, and I'm gonna use fiberglass and epoxy to make it. Also, since this is for a school project, I have about 25 hours to finish and upload, and epoxy takes 24 hours to cure, so let's get right into it. I begin by preparing the workspace. The table surface is fully covered with plastic to protect it from epoxy resin. All required materials are laid out on the table. These include epoxy resin, a dust mask, scissors, utility knife, gloves, a measuring cup, a resin brush and a roller, a mixing stick, mold release wax, and of course the fiberglass mat. For the mold surface, I use flat panels taken from old cupboard doors. The handles and hinges are removed to obtain a smooth and flat surface suitable for lamination. The glass fiber is then cut into square pieces measuring 20 by 20 centimeters. All layers are pre-cut before mixing the resin to ensure an efficient layup process. To prevent the composite from sticking to the mold, mold release wax is applied evenly across the surface. The epoxy resin is mixed according to the manufacturer's specifications, using a 2:1 resin-to-hardener ratio by weight. The mixture is stirred thoroughly for approximately 2 minutes to ensure uniform curing. A thin layer of epoxy resin is first applied to the mold surface. The first fiberglass layer is placed and soaked with resin using a brush and roller. Air bubbles are removed by gentle pressure, and this process is repeated for each subsequent layer until the desired thickness is achieved. After the last layer, the top mold is placed and left for curing for 24 hours. The mold is weighted by a few books to ensure proper curing. Now that the resin is fully cured, I need to cut the edges off with the utility knife and sand it to make it smooth. Since the glass fiber dust can be dangerous, I'll be using my dust mask.